Hi friends, great morning and welcome to Daily Analysis. Friends, as I mentioned yesterday, I was actually more on bearish side, and I have mentioned that whenever the price comes to see the CPR range will be one of the best range for us to sell, right? I have mentioned clearly that CPR is one of the main support and resistance zone, and whenever the price comes to this zone may be a best level to sell. That's what I mentioned. And you can see like one time and two time, right? When the price came to CPR range, it actually started coming down, right? You can see even though the price tried to go up at the previous day's high, again it took a resistance and came down and all the way, and it came up to support 2, which was pivot support 2, right? Even though I was expecting a good trending day, that didn't happen. I have mentioned that I may be expecting a 6,300 and below level. That didn't happen, right? But overall, it was a sideways kind of day. And at CPR, the price has actually taken a resistance. Now, let us see what is today's analysis. First, we will go and check NYMEX crude. NYMEX crude, it is clearly again showing a bearish signal because the price tried to go up slightly up to $77.82. From there, all the way it came down and it settled at around 76.28 level, right? So the still it is indicating that sellers are actually dominating, right? Sellers are still strong. They are not allowing the buyers to take the price up. And also the price is actually trading below 20 EMA, which is also a one good signal for me, right? So still we will continue the trend as a bearish trend. And we will see what had happened in our MCX crude. With the daily chart, if you see, even though it was a small bullish candle, but it is an indecision candle, right? Where there is no proper decision. It tried to go up, it tried to came down, but it is settled somewhere in the middle, right? So MCX crude actually not given any signal. But of course, it is below 20 EMA. Still, the trend it is showing down only, right? Now, so overall, as I mentioned a couple of days back, I have showed you the weekly chart, which is also showing the trend is a bearish trend. So we may be looking more on a selling opportunity today. Let us now see what is telling the 30-minute chart is telling, right? So 30-minute chart is clearly actually telling one, it's a very narrow CPR, right? So one thing, narrow CPR normally indicate that it can be a trending day, right? So it is not 100%, but there is a probability that it can be a trending day. So that means, see, last 2 days, if you see, it was a sideways days, right? Even though Monday there was a holiday in US, but overall last 2 days it was a sideways days, right? So CPR also showing us it is a trending day. So it can be a trending day. And we are actually bearish in the market. So we may be looking more on a selling side. Now, what are the probabilities? Let us see. Now, the market, the first half an hour candle was a very big bearish candle, which is again indicating a selling. But we should be very careful. One, the price has not touched CPR, right? So now there is a probability the price may come somewhere near to the S1 or previous day's low, which is around 6,315-16 level. And there it can actually consolidate for some time and have a small retracement, right? And again, when the price comes somewhere near to this zone, right, which is around 6,375, 6,383, this zone, which is near to our CPR, or which is the price when it comes near to 6,370, which is our intraday high. As of now, the intraday high. There can be again a selling pressure because morning, if you see, the sellers started dominating from this price, 6,370 price. So again, that may, when the price comes to that level, again, they will start selling it, right? So I may be looking more, I may be more comfortable selling at those levels, right? Somewhere near to support 1, which is 6,318, or the previous day's low, which is 6,314, or at a maximum level 6,303, this demand zone, somewhere there can be a small buying, small retracement. That doesn't mean that the trend is changed. It is just a retracement. Somewhere again, when the price comes near to intraday high, we may look for a sell, right? And below this zone, which is 6,300 zone, it can be a good selling opportunity for us. Even 6,209 is open for us as a target, right? Upside, we may be looking only if the price goes above the previous day's high, which is around 6,446. Above this level, if the price breaks with a good elephant candle or rocket candle, friends, definitely I may be looking for a long opportunity, maybe with the first target of 6,512 and second target of somewhere near to the pivot, weekly pivot or a daily pivot, 6,581, right? But it is unlikely to happen. That's what I am feeling. And moreover, this zone somewhere the price may again start taking resistance, right? So, but the trend we will the view we may be changing according to the price action during the market hours. So it's again market, it's a probability game. We need to work accordingly, right? So before winding up, friends, I want to give you a disclaimer. These are my personal views and personal studies. So I never guarantee you any success or profit from these trades, these views. So make sure you do your own analysis and maintain proper risk reward ratio before taking any trades. So thank you very much. And I would like to invite all you to my masterclass. Tomorrow we have a price action secret masterclass where I'm going to teach you in detail how price action works, what is the psychology behind support and resistance, what are the important candles to be checked in during the market hours, all these things, along with 3 important daily patterns I'm going to share you, right? So I want all you to register for the masterclass. And also Friday, I have another webinar called Superpower Trader, where I'm going to teach you how the psychology is working in stock market and how to have the right mindset. And also, I am going to teach you how the money management rule has to be done, right? So that's all in this video, friends. Thank you very much. Wishing all a very happy and successful trading. Thank you.